How to make the color strobe transition. Today's video is sponsored by James Brown. Bring a short adjustment clip on top of your cut. Trim it down to 8 frames, right-click on it, and open it in the Fusion page. Add a color correction node. Increase the strength of the color. Right-click to the tint value, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and set the scale value to 5. Add a transform node after. Change the edges to mirror. Right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness slider, set the minimum to 0.45, and the maximum to 0.55. Back to the Tools tab, go to the Settings menu, activate the Motion Blur box, and increase the quality slider. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you can't do anything.